Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video I am going to show you a really special keyboard. This is the ErgoDox 76 HotDox V2. It's a Kono keyboard in collaboration with Alpaca Keyboards. This is an ergonomic split keyboard. Split meaning it's got two sides, so two of these sides, one in the right, one in the left. And of course, being ergonomic, you can have it at different positions so it's comfortable for your arms and your hands. I'm gonna show you more once I open the box. For now, let's have a look around the box. So we have the logos right here on the bottom side. On the back we have got some features: 76 key split ergonomic layout, hot swap sockets for easy customization and assembly, via firmware customizable layouts, layers and lighting effects, acrylic and aluminum case plate sandwich for comfort and style, and it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty against production defects. So in the box we got the keyboard itself, we got a switch and a keycap puller, USB-C to USB-A uncoiled cable, and USB-C to USB-C uncoiled cable to connect the keyboards between them. So yeah, let's open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside the box. After that we're going to set it up to my PC. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is what we get. As always, we're gonna start with the small stuff first. So if you're on the manual, you can scan this QR code right here. Let it focus a bit. There you go. Or you can go to konolive/hotdogs guide. In one of the bags we have a keycap and a switch puller, and USB type A to USB type C cable. This will connect to your PC and this will connect to the keyboard. And in the other bag we have some screws, Allen key, some 3M rubber feet. Always nice to have some spare. And we have a USB type C cable to USB type C, which will connect the keyboards between them. Okay, so now let's get to the keyboards. Each keyboard have two USB type C ports, right here and right here. Also this one. So with the USB type C cable you make a connection between these two ports right here, so the keyboards are connected between them. And with the USB type A to USB type C cable, you plug the type C into the other type C port that's spare either on the left or the right hand side, and the USB type A into your PC to connect the keyboard to your PC, which is pretty straightforward. So in terms of the design, it's really interesting because you can have it however you want. You can either have it like this, you can have it straight, you can have one up, one lower, one more upwards. It's entirely up to you. It's got an interesting design as well because there's an aluminum plate in the middle, and on the top is this clear acrylic. We got a screen right here and right here. On the back everything is see-through, so you can actually see the PCB. You can see the switches. All the extra keys have stubs, so they sound amazing. If we do a sound test right now, it sounds great. The switches are hot swappable, so you can always pull them out and have your own switches. The keycaps, same, you can have your own keycaps if you don't like this design, but I think the white just looks so clean. I honestly love the design. And yeah, let's go ahead now and set everything up. I'm gonna put the USB type C cable between these two keyboards, then hook it up to my PC. I'm gonna show you guys how the RGB looks like and how the keyboard functions. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so this is how the keyboard looks when it's fully assembled. Obviously I plug the keyboards between them via the USB type C to type C cable, and the other one goes into the type A port. So you got two screens. One is showing you the layers. You can have multiple layers of this keyboard, each layer doing something else, key assignments and so on. And on this side we have inputs. So whenever you press U or I, it will show the last key pressed right here, which is a really cool feature. And the color can be customizable again with the via firmware, which you can get by scanning that QR code. It will take you to the manual of the keyboard, and also you can download that firmware so you can customize the colors, the keys, whichever you want, the layers. It's endless possibilities basically. And also what I like about this keyboard is the fact that you can only use one part of it. So for example, let's say you don't want to use this, you only want to use this part, you can unplug it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. There you go. And now you can only use this bit. You don't need to worry about this, you only use the bit that you need. So I think for gamers, you'll mostly like to use this bit if you're a gamer, but this being an office keyboard, it's more keen towards office workers. And yeah, anyway, it looks cool either ways. Again, the switches and the keycaps are hot swappable. You can swap them with whatever you want. I think it comes with from the factory you can choose with Cali copper or rose red switches. I think these ones are rose red switches. That's why they sound so good. Yeah, this is how the RGB looks from the back. Again, you can have any color you want using that firmware. Keyboard, it's really cool, very unique keyboard. It's definitely a niche product, it's not for everybody. If you guys want to buy this, I will have a link into the video description below so you can buy it. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.